Sometimes in PowerPoint, we need to present data in a more visual and engaging way to make it easier to understand. This video focuses on how to insert and use SmartArt to improve data presentation in PowerPoint 365. First, we start with a basic set of data that we want to represent in a more visually appealing format. Instead of listing the information as plain text, we can enhance its appearance using SmartArt. To begin, we go to the Insert tab and select the SmartArt option. Here, we choose the layout that best matches the type of data we want to present. There are various categories like process, hierarchy, cycle, and more, depending on the structure of the information. Once we select the appropriate SmartArt design, we input our text into the placeholders. You can copy all the data from your original content and paste it directly into the SmartArt graphic. If the SmartArt includes unnecessary columns or extra boxes, those can be removed or left blank to streamline the display. Now, our data is visually represented in SmartArt, making it clearer and more attractive for the audience. At this point, you may want to customize the appearance to suit your presentation style. Click on the SmartArt graphic to access the Design tab. In this section, you can modify colors, layout styles, and sizes. Choose the design elements that match your intended look and feel. Adjust the formatting to ensure your graphic looks clean and professional. By using SmartArt in PowerPoint, you turn plain information into dynamic visuals that support your message more effectively. This method improves comprehension and keeps your presentation visually appealing and structured.